Hello everyone, my name is Wei-Ren Chen. Today I'll introduce my engineering research methods final presentation. My topic is the priority of application scenarios of aluminum alloyams, magnesium alloyams, and titanium alloyams with different comparison. Here is my table context, abstraction, key point of literature review, how important of my research topic, description of research design, and conclusion. First of all, I'll introduce you why I have idea to do these three different method comparison. Because when I do the literature review, I found there are huge bunch of research, but only on some typical materials. But when in my thinking, if I'm a producer, I hope that I have a different comparison in different materials, not only compare in same materials. Because when I'm thinking priorities, like I want to make a cup, that cups can be any type of metal. But if we want to have more advantage, we want to compare in different areas. That's what I first think of my topic. So in order to compare in different materials, I want to introduce you in these three differences. One is aluminum, magnesium, and titanium. This selection of aluminum, we focus about manufacturing priority, cohesion, and the cost and the feasibility methods. Second, the key point of the literature review, I think there are 3 points that I think. First of all, is to identify a need of further research in this area. As what I said, there are only the research in the same materials. There are not much research between each other. Second, the Presnetation process parameter to across the performance is better in a 7081 aluminum element. And how new titanium alloy materials can be optimized to enhance the achievement safety. There are 3 main of the literature review. And how important of my topic. First of how important, I think I'll perspective project, I'll give the producer or manufacturer have a new idea about it. So in order to achieve that, if I'm a producer, I can think which metal that I want to choose, how their performances, how their priorities, and which one is more cheaper. Second, so in order to compare these 3 different metals, I need to have same criteria. I think we're handling in price, hardness, and the surface roughness. I'll do these 3 different tests of same materials in order to achieve in the same goal. And that is describe of my research design. So in my research design, I'll use 3 different commercial metal. And to do the tensile test, Victor hardness test, and surface roughness measure. These 3 will compare in different. And what's my advantage? There are advantages in these 3 tests because they already have the equipment in our lab. So we can just straight away did not cost extra money to do it. But in the disadvantage part, there are very lack of the surface viewing of different materials. I think if we need to do further research, we need to have a commercial standard about it. In the tensile test is my testing machine, and the left-hand side is the specimen. In the Victor harness test, here is the machine and equipment, and the second is a view of the microscopic. And the next one is the surface roughness test. We use the microscopic to do it, and they have a data to come to the computer, and then we can have 3 different tests in different area, and we can get the roughening test in the RA plot. It's the mu meter. In conclusion, the research was conducted research through the compared mutual aluminum provides a product designer with the cross-aluminum selection plan. Choose the most cost-efficient materials. Use the cheaper and most suitable materials to achieve the same use effect. Match the needs of the user's need and create the generator design benefit. Thank you, everyone.